Hello, all the students of Standard 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family members. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope you all have purchased your book. So whatever homework I have given you in maths and science, I hope you are doing it. So today I am going to teach you maths. It's chapter 4 because chapter 3 is already completed. And I have uploaded all the questions on your school website in PDF file. Just you go there and download it and do it in your homework. So today I am going to start chapter 4, multiplication and division. This might be you have read in standard 3rd also and standard 2 also. So chapter 4, multiplication and division. Okay, this is a chapter name, multiplication and division. So see, there are some properties is given. First property is the product of two numbers does not change when the order of the number is changed. The product of the two numbers does not change. The first property is saying that the product of the two numbers does not change when the order of the number is changed. Now second is the product of three numbers does not change when the grouping of the number is changed. The question number 3 point is the product of a number and 1 is the number itself. Now the product of a number and 0 is 0. Okay. So first is I hope you have just read about this. So I'm just going to explain you examples. Okay, so come to example 1. Example 1 of chapter 4. This is page number 27. Question is multiply 1287 by 527. Okay. So I am just going to explain you first in easy way how it is explained in your example. So you can see 1287 by 527. So see 500. This first method is just to simply multiply. This method, okay. One more method is this, that 527 you break it in expanded form. 500 plus 20 plus 7. Okay. So now see 1287 into 527. See. So 1287 will remain same. Now 527 I just break it into 3 parts in expanded form means 500 plus 20 plus 7. Now see. Now this 1287 first multiply with 500. Plus is there, so give plus sign. Next 1287 into 20. 1287 into 20. Plus sign is there, so give plus sign. Now this 1287 into 7. You can use two methods. One you can do whatever you are reading in standard 3rd, 2, 4. And 1 because now you are in standard 5, so you have to match your standard also. So first 527 I have just break it into expanded form. Now 1287 is 527 I have written already 500 plus 20 plus 7. So first this 1287 multiply with 500, then 1287 multiply with 20, then 1287 multiply with 7. Now one by one multiply. 643,500. When you will multiply 1287 with 500. When you will multiply 1287 into 2, then you will get 25740. And now last one 9009. Now in last add it 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 9. Okay. 0 plus 9, 9, 0 plus 4, 4. 5 plus 7 11, 7 plus 1 2, 3 plus 5 8, 8 will be 8, 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 4 is 8, 3 plus 5 8 plus 9 17 1 18, 4 plus 2 6 1 7 and 6 will be 6. Understood? When you are going to solve this question, you can solve it by this method also and you can solve it by this method also. This method will be little easier for you, so you just go for this method. Now come to example number 2. Oh, now this is already explained. Now see, now I am going to explain this method. I need some space, so I am just making some space. Wait. So see, 1 2 8 7 multiply 5 to 7. Let's see. First 1 2 8 7 multiply with 7. So with 1 2 8 7 when you multiply, you got 9009 means 1 2 8 7 into 7. Second step is 1 2 8 7 with 20. Second step is 1 2 8 7 with 20. Then you get 1 2 8 7 into 20. So you got 0 4 7 5 2. And third step 1 2 8 7 into 500 and you got 00 5 3 4 6. Or let me check once. No, you have got from here because we have multiplied, na? So it will be 0 4 7 5 2. This one is 0 0 5 3 4 6. Now add it. 9 4 2 5 3 8 9 17 1 18 46 7 and 6. Okay. 6,78,249. Understood, students? Means first you solve like this, and the second process you have to solve like this. Now we will go to example number 2. So now come to example number 2. Last, this is 1287 into 527. Now come to example number 2. Example number 2 is multiply 53185258. Okay. So see, first we break 2583 break it into expanded form. Everyone knows the expanded form 2. After 2 there is 3 numbers, so put 30. Next is 5. After 5 2 number is there, then put 20. Next is 8. After 8 there is 1 number, so put 103. It means 3 is at 1's place, 8 is at 10's place, 5 is at 100 place and 2 is at 1000 place. Now we just multiply 5318 into 2583. So see, 5318 into 2583 we have already break into expanded form. Now you can see, first we have to multiply with this to this, plus then 5318 into 500, and then last 5318 into 80, and the last 5318 into 3. Okay? Now one by one, just multiply. This will be 10 6 3. 10 6 3 600. This will be 2 6 5 9 0 0. 000. Here it is one more 0. Next 4 2 5 4 4 0. The last one 1 5 9 5 4. Now we will put like this. This is put like this. Means 53182583. Okay. So first we have to multiply with 3. So we got 15954. It means 5318 into 3. Second we got 04524 means 5318 into 80. Third 0009562 means 5318 into 500. And the last one is 000636601. Okay, it means 5318 into 2000, and the answer is 13736394. 099430 13736394. It means 5318 multiply 2583. Okay students, so you have to solve this multiply according to